All right, let's learn the first law of thermodynamics. This is very easy. The equation is easy. This should be easy marks. Suppose I have a gas in a sealed container and I add heat. Well, that gas is going to increase the internal energy. Increase the internal energy. That's pretty obvious. More motion. Now suppose I add a piston to this and I begin to compress that gas. Once again, when I compress that gas, there's an increase in the internal energy. Now notice I'm doing work on the gas. The first law says delta U equals Q plus W. You need to memorize that. And it should be fairly easy. Delta U means the change in internal energy equals Q, which is the heat added to the gas, plus W, the work done on the gas. Now some books have it different, but this is how it's done for AP, and it'll amount to the same thing in the end. W is the work done on by that piston compressing it. Here's how the signs go. If heat is added, positive. That should make sense, right? I'm adding the heat. If I'm removing heat from that container, what do you think happens? The sign will be negative. Now, it's the same with now the internal energy. If the internal energy goes up and as a result the temperature is going up, remember, increase in internal energy, increase in temperature, it's positive. If the internal energy decreases, negative. Now, if work is done on the gas, we will call that positive in the AP course. If work is done by the gas, in other words, it's lifting that piston, it's negative. Now, here's a memory device to help. You're happy when the work is done. Just say that. Happy when the work is done. That's a positive statement, and everything there will be positive. HAP, and then is the heat added is positive. HAP, heat added positive. When the work is done on the system, notice the word on is in the word done, then that's positive also. And that's all contained in that positive sentence. Happy when the work is done. HAP, heat added, is positive, and the word on is in done. Work done on the system is positive.